It's Goli. Today we want to talk about Foxy Proxy. So it's a tool that can help us to be faster with the Burp Suite. As you know, when we want to use Burp Suite, we should set up a proxy, and then we can see the requests in our Burp Suite, and we can change them and then send to the server. And sometimes it's time consuming because we should go to the setting of our browser and set up a proxy, and after that we can use that. But Foxy Proxy helps us to configure some proxy and just switch between them and or turn on or off them. So let's see how we can do that. So just we need to write Foxy Proxy, and then the first link. So here you can see mine is written remove because I already have it here, but for you probably it's written out to Firefox or something like that. Just click on that, and after a couple of seconds you will have this on your browser, and you can see it's here. So now it's turned off, you can see, but I have another one which I set it up before, so it's better. But let's see how we can add another proxy. So just click on option, and the first one is add. Click on add, and here you can see, for example, I want to say this is my proxy, my proxy, and then I will give this IP address and also the port, because this one is when we're going to work with Burp Suite, I should use this configuration, and then after that save. So now you can see here I have two options, Burp and my proxy. This one is the one which we just added, and let me go to Google. You can see the page comes up fast and easy, and because the proxy is off. So let's check how it works with the proxy that we just set it up. So my proxy, I click on my proxy, and then again you can see when I want to go to Google, it comes to my Burp Suite. You can see I just refresh the page and it doesn't work. So I should go to Burp Suite and forward this packet. It helps us, and it makes the process faster. So I just wanted to share with you. Maybe you also want to use that, and you also can set up other proxies as well. So yeah, that's it, and use it, enjoy it, and have a nice day.